If you love learning to play calm, relaxing piano music, you're in the right place. Welcome to A Moment of Piano. Today we're playing our 9th weekly piano routine together, a way for you to include a short, peaceful daily piano exercise in your practice routine every week. The music for this week's routine is particularly for beginner to late beginner piano players, but of course everyone is welcome to join in. You can follow along on screen, or if you'd like to download a copy of the free piano sheet music, please head to the link below. This week we're familiarizing ourselves with the key of A major. In our G major routine we had 1 sharp, D major had 2 sharps, and A major has 3 sharps, F, C and G. Whenever we see an F, C or G note, we'll instead play their neighbours to the right, F sharp, C sharp or G sharp. The exercise we're learning is based on 3 chords from this key. Each chord includes one of the 3 sharps. In every version we'll play the chord progression in this order, with a focus on piano arpeggio patterns. So we have A major chord, A, skip up to C sharp, skip up to E. We also call this chord 1 because it's built on the first note of the A major scale. You might recognize this chord from our D major routine. Next, our B minor chord, B, D, F sharp. We also call this chord 2, and we also played this chord in our D major routine. And E major chord, E, G sharp, B. We also call this chord 5. We played this chord in our A minor routine. In this routine, we're playing in a 6/8 time signature with 6 quaver or 8th notes in every bar. And we'll also play dotted crotchets or dotted quarter notes and dotted minims or dotted half notes, the full bar here. Okay, we're all set. Let's just enjoy the music now and make this piano routine our own. Here's version 1. Here's version 2. Here's version 3. Here's version 4. And here's version 5. And there we are. Next, you might like to learn a classical song in 6/8 time, Sicilian by Fauré, and look out for an A major song tutorial coming soon. I'll see you next week for another weekly routine. To hear about these videos and more, please feel free to subscribe below. Thank you so much for joining me and have a lovely day.